Hello guys, again, this is Red Saliba here in Newville dito sa Tansa, Cavite. Okay, so makikita ko naman ngayon sa inyo yung ating pong dress up unit ng ating regular Newville or Astrid regular unit. Okay, again, ito yung specification po niya. So ito po yung pwede mong ipagawa once na turn over na yung unit sa iyo. Tingnan natin yung dress up unit. See? Ito yung ating dress up unit here dito sa Astrid sa Newville. Ito yung kitchen, okay, the dining table and the dining area and the living area. So ayan po. So dito sa baba pwede mo pang gamitin tong space dito under the staircase. Ayan. And the toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. So tingnan natin yung service area at the back. So pwedeng ganito yung gawin mo. Nandiyan mo ng parang terasa or terrace or ambayan. Then pwede ka mag-kitchen din dito. Dito ka magluto. Okay, and your laundry at the same time. Yan, parang lanai area. Tingnan natin second floor yung mga bedrooms. Okay. Yung second floor. Ayan. Ito natin ilaw. So guys, ito yung ating dress up ng ating Astrid model. Ayan. Ito yung master bedroom with the access sa ating pong balcony, and yung pong ating toilet and bath meron dito access door. So ito naman po yung cabinet. So napakaganda, diba? Okay, and the second bedroom. Okay, so from outside the master bedroom, dito naman yung pinaka pinto ng common toilet and bath. And ito yung pinaka hallway, the second bedroom. And the third bedroom. Ayan, again guys, no, if you're interested avail here in Newville subdivision here in Tansa, Cavite, okay, kontakin nyo lamang po ako at 0917-507-0007. Pwede po sa Globe, sa Viber, or sa WhatsApp. God bless po and happy bike.